In an ideal world, your factory dreams of 365 days of seamless production to satisfy your clients' demand and use your assets efficiently. But how close are you to that ideal? Are you reaching your production full potential? What is the true performance of your site? Every sensor or data in your facility tells a story, not just for predictive maintenance, supply chain management or reporting, but also for maximizing efficiency. At Z-Waste, we harness this untapped data to identify bottlenecks and performance gaps, hindering your full potential. Our tools highlight the differences between the ideal 365 days of uninterrupted production and the real-world operational output. From in-depth exploration to data cleaning and zooming into statistical variations and deviations, we use precision analytics to diagnose the gaps and the hidden potential within your operations. After the analysis and hand-in-hand with site leaders, we envision actions plans to implement impactful projects. Most projects are not capital intensive, but are focusing on existing resources maximization. From planning, cycle times, maintenance, to quality assurance and performance tracking, site leaders will unlock your plant's true potential. Achieve 100% throughput and get closer to that 365-day production dream. Together, let's co-create, innovate and elevate. Turn potential into unmatched performance.